Welcome to Steady iPass International. Today's tutorial will focus on introducing you to your topic, and the objective behind this tutorial is to set the foundation you need to write an excellent research and analysis project on. Therefore, join me as I explain the key areas of your topic. My name is Isaac Jima. You can connect with me on LinkedIn by sending connection request with the web link on your screen. Also, you can send me an email by obuacc@steadyipass.com or join the topic forum on our website www.steadyipass.com. In terms of qualifications, I'm a chartered certified accountant, holds MBA from University of East London, have the BSc in applied accounting, and in terms of work, I've worked with ACCA as education manager. And one of my responsibilities was to train the trainers of teaching providers on how to teach the ACCA papers, and I really learned a lot during that time. I've also worked with London School of Business and Finance under the mentorship of a great mentor and a friend, Aaron, the founder of LSBF, and currently managing my own 3 successful businesses. So that is all about me. Today we will discuss Topic 8 title, the key drivers of Topic 8, how to choose an organization for Topic 8, how to pass, yes, and how to fill Topic 8, and the to-do list you need to draw in order for you to write an excellent research and analysis project with Topic 8. Now, let us look at Topic 8 title. It's all about analysis and evaluation of the business and financial performance of an organization over a 3-year period. Now, the words I've written in red are the key drivers of Topic 6. If you understand the requirement of each driver, you will be on the path of graduating with the BSc in Applied Accounting easily, to be honest with you. Because you see, the drivers determine the outcome of the research and analysis project. So let us discuss the drivers. The first driver is analysis, okay, and it's all about explaining the performance of your chosen organization. Now, the main objective behind the analysis is for you to explain the various components, okay, of the performance and interpret what the performance means. This means you need to ensure that your analysis will explain each of the 3 years performance of your chosen organization. Now, many students make the mistake of providing a summary explanation of the 3 years. Okay, they provide a summary explanation of the 3 years combined. Okay, however, when you are asked to conduct analysis, then the action that is required of you is to explain the various constituents of what you have been asked to analyze. Therefore, under Topic 8, the constituents are 3 years performance, financial performance, business performance. You see where it's coming from. So you're looking at 3 years, you're looking at financial, you're looking at business, so 3 constituents. Therefore, your analysis should focus on explaining the financial performance for 3 years, and then business performance for 3 years, and interpreting each year's performance as well. And if you do that, you are meeting the requirement of analysis. Then the next driver is evaluation, okay, which is about providing the reasons behind the performance. Let me tell you this: the number one reason why students fail is evaluation, because they fail to evaluate the performance. The most important thing you need to remember is, as for Brookes, you want you to tell them, or the readers of your research and analysis project document, why the organization performed the way they perform. You need to provide reasons that explain why the organization has performed the way it has performed. Okay, for instance, it's not enough for you to state that earning per share went up because the share price went up by 20%. The question we want you to answer: why did the share price went up by 20%? What caused the share price to go up by 20%? And if you are able to provide a convincing answer, then you have met the evaluation requirement of Topic 8. And I'm pleading with you, be an expert, okay, on this. Be an expert in evaluating of financial performance. Next driver is business performance, and it's all about, okay, assessing the key state of the drivers that determines the business performance. Many mentees who write on topic 8 ignore this performance component by spending few hours on the business performance instead of remembering that the title asks for business and financial performance, not financial performance and a little business performance analysis and evaluation. Don't make the same mistake. The next driver is financial performance. And let me be honest, this is the favorite of mentees who write on topic 8. And it is so because it's all about assessing the financial results the organization has produced, right? And all of us are good at this, financial ratios. However, many students fail on this because they forget to conduct evaluation of the financial performance. That's why before I finish evaluation, I said be an expert in evaluation of financial performance. Therefore, remember that evaluation of financial performance is very, very, very important to topic 8. Next driver is organization, and it looks at choosing two organizations from the industries selected by us for Brookes. 2, using one as the main organization that the analysis and evaluation be based on, and 3, the other as the comparator. The wrong organizational choice will make or break you. And I'll be explaining to you how to choose an organization for topic 8 very soon. 3 years, and it's about you conducting your analysis and evaluation for 3 years. Remember I said doing the analysis about you focusing on each constituent of the topic. Therefore, remember to conduct your analysis and evaluation of the financial and business performance for each of the 3 years. Okay, for each of the 3 years. Now let us look at how to choose an organization for topic 8. Number 1, make sure that the organization is part of the industries selected by us for Brookes University. It's very important to remember this. Step 2, before you select an organization, okay, review all the industries and assess your level of knowledge about each industry. The performance indicators that are used to assess each of the industry and evaluate the number of reportage made on the industries, each industry and the organizations in each industry. Okay, by doing this, you'll be able to select an industry that you know very well. 1, select an organization that you can assess its performance easily because of your knowledge about the key performance indicators. And lastly, you easily gain information about both the organization and the industry that you have chosen. Step 3, it is important you select an organization that also provides financial statement and accompanying note or the very best annual report. Please do not select an organization that only issue financial statement without a note. Okay, it is important to remember this because you need it in your analysis and evaluation. Step 4, gain access to external information about organization performance. This is the most important factor you should consider about your organization. One of the key requirement of us for Brookes University when they are marking topic number 8 is to look at the evaluation of the financial and business performance, and also for them to also consider what source did you use to evaluate. Is it external source or internal source? Now, what I have seen over years of mentoring is that us for Brookes prefer external source. Okay, and I tell you from experience, you are likely to fail if you rely on internal source, that is the annual report, to evaluate the financial performance, okay, to evaluate the financial and business performance. So if you decide to use annual report throughout, you fail. So many a times I always tell students who seek my opinion, I say you need to speak to your mentor on which percentage you should use for internal source and which percentage you should use for external source, because the marker are happy when your evaluation, okay, that is the reasons for the performance comes from the external source. Okay, remember this. And I have seen students fail topic 8, and I'll be honest with you, even though they really did well, they really conducted appropriate analysis and evaluation, but because of their reliance was on internal source, they failed. And I don't want you to be a victim. I don't want you to be a victim. Now, if you follow these steps, you will choose the most appropriate organization for topic 8. I guarantee you. Follow these steps and you will choose the most appropriate organization for topic 8. So why do students fail topic 8? Remember, nobody write a rap to fail, okay? But the key areas can fail you if you don't approach them with care. The number one reason is poor organizational choice. And they do not follow the steps I've provided on how to choose an organization. So please make sure that you follow step 1 to 4, and it will really help you. Now, listen, it's not about how popular your organization is. What is important is the information that you need to analyze and evaluate the financial and business performance, and whether you can gain access to the information. Okay, and remember, there is no law by us for Brookes that restricts you to your country when choosing an organization. Therefore, consider other countries as well. Okay, consider other countries as well. Reason number 2, they violate topic number 8, key drivers. You remember analysis and evaluation, and then also financial and business performance. Many students, do well with the analysis, I tell you, but fail on the evaluation because they don't provide reason for the performance. Then number 2, many students focus or spend 90% of work's allowance on the financial performance, and then 10% allowance on the business performance. And if you do that, you are going to fail. Remember, each driver is very, very important in its own right. And in the research report tutorial for topic 8, I've explained with examples how to conduct analysis and evaluation of the financial and business performance for each of the 3 years under both the main company and the comparator. The next reason is insufficient knowledge, poor understanding, and lack of practical skills of accounting techniques and business models. And let me be honest with you, okay, I would really appreciate it if you can listen to my tutorial on the Oxford Brookes University marking scheme, because it really sort of explains why this particular information I'm about to share with you is very, very important. The reason why many students fail this, okay, or this become a reason even for us to even talk about now, is that many students are not able to identify the right accounting techniques and business models. And the problem is, even if they do, they don't read wide about accounting techniques and business models. Yes, and this comes from the fact that students rely solely on Kaplan and BPP materials, okay, which does not offer the opportunity to gain the views of different authors. Listen, I have nothing against Kaplan. I have nothing against BPP, so don't go out and say, hey, Isaac is against Kaplan. Isaac is against BPP. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm not at all. But you need to understand the books were written for ACCA examination. Okay, they were written for ACCA examination, not for academic work. But Oxford Brookes ACCA degree program is an academic work, and you need different books to gain sufficient knowledge, deeper understanding, and practical skills. And therefore, you should do wider reading, because the accounting techniques and business models occupies 2 positions on the marking scheme. The first one is understanding of the accounting techniques and business model, and this requires wider reading to pass. The second one is application of the accounting techniques and business model. And in order for you to do this, you need to have practical skills on how to apply the accounting techniques and business models. And you can only do that when you read from different authors who will provide you with different perspectives on the accounting techniques and business models than just relying on Kaplan and BPP. I'm really passionate about this, because anytime I see a student fail because of this, I feel like I want to, scream, tear something, because it's therefore, go out there and read more than one book on accounting techniques and business models, of your topic. And one key accounting technique for topic 8 is financial ratios. But don't rely on Kaplan and BPP to gain in-depth knowledge, deeper understanding, and practical skills on financial ratios. But read from other authors. Set a day aside and go to the library, or go online to read about the financial ratios and all the accounting techniques and business models under topic 8. And it will help you to pass the 2 components of the accounting techniques and business models. In the research report tutorial on topic 8, I've explained to you how to present your understanding of the accounting techniques and business models and the best approach to applying them. Okay, so listen to it and you really learn a lot. Reason number 4, poor financial evaluation skills. Yes, poor financial evaluation skills. And you remember I was telling you to be an expert. Good. This is a problem, and I realized from my engagement with many students that once we know how to analyze financial ratios, we don't know how to evaluate. Evaluation provides more detailed information that explain why the performance is the way it is. Okay, and this fails many students because it occupies a key component on a marking scheme. And failing evaluation means failing topic 8. Failing topic 8. And what I've done in the research report part 3 tutorial is to show you how to conduct evaluation of the financial and business performance. If you listen to it, you know how to evaluate the financial performance, how to evaluate the business performance in a way that will not only make you pass topic 8, but will help you also to know how to do it in your professional life. The next reason is lack of external source of information. And remember, I was talking about how Oxford Brookes need really like external sources as the basis for evaluating of financial performance. So please go out there. Okay, you need this external sources to be able to conduct a proper evaluation of the financial and business performance. The next reason is poor referencing skills. And this is true because referencing is never part of ACCA examination. How many of you have gone to ACCA exams and they say that explain financial ratios and reference? You never do that. You never even see it in ACCA exams. However, you need to learn referencing, okay? And in topic 8 reference tutorial, I've shown you how to do this as well. The next reason is poor technical skills. And poor technical skills is a problem for many students, and remember this, okay? It occupies a key component of the marking scheme. So make sure that you have the information technology know-how instead of using and it's funny, instead of using calculator to calculate the financial ratios and inputting the results in the Excel sheet to draw your chart. Oxford Brookes want you to calculate the financial ratios in the Excel sheet and draw the chart in the Excel sheet as well. My policy is simple, okay? Perform all the calculations in the Excel sheet and draw your chart in the Excel sheet as well. And in order for you to do that, work on your Excel sheet basic skills to the extent you can write formulas and draw chart in the Excel sheet. And remember, the technical skills component becomes relevant in the appendices, and under the topic 8 appendices tutorial, I've shown you how to show your technical skills. Now we know why students fail. Let us look at why students pass topic number 8. The number 1 way of passing topic 8 is do opposite of every reason I've given under why students fail topic 8. And they are choose the right organization, okay? Follow the drivers, the drivers. Follow, make sure that you follow the requirement of the drivers. 3, gain in-depth knowledge, deeper understanding, and practical skills of the accounting techniques and business models of topic 8. Know how to evaluate, okay? Use external sources to evaluate the financial and business performance. Reference your skills and apply technical skills. Now let us look at the key components of to-do list for the first one looks at activities you carry out. Okay, identify who is responsible for each activity. What resources do you need to carry out those activities, and the hours you need to work on the RAP. Remember, this is very, very important because many students are not able to submit the work on time and also not able to conduct proper analysis and in-depth evaluation of financial and business performance, and this results into the student failing. And all of this, okay, come out of poor time management. So please work on this. And when we talk about poor time management, Also, it is influenced by your starting date and submission date. So you need to be able to get those two right as well. The key activities that you have to prepare under the to-do list will be one, choosing an organization. Remember the steps in choosing organization, yes. Then component of the research and analysis project that is working on them. And remember to listen to the research and analysis project overview tutorial on topic 8, and it will tell you all the components of the research and analysis project. And then number 3, the meetings with your mentor, okay, and for the presentation you give to your mentor as well. And remember to listen to the topic 8 presentation tutorial I've done as well. And the next one is agree with your mentor. 1, the dates for your meetings. 2, the hours that you will spend during each meeting. 3, is the meeting going to be via Skype or face-to-face? 4, the channel of communication between you two. Is it going to be, are you going to communicate by emails or phone calls, or you're going to look at only, you're going to do it by Skype, or you are going to utilize all the 3? And 5, when are you supposed to send your document to him or her, and when is he or she supposed to send the review document back to you? And agreeing on all this will set a template that would direct the relationship between you and your mentor. In conclusion, so today we've discussed your topic title, topic 8, key drivers, why student fail topic 8, why student pass topic 8, how to choose an organization for topic 8, and the to-do list you should draw. And I want to encourage you to listen to the all the tutorials on topic 8, and these tutorials are the research report, skills and learning statement, reference, presentation, appendices, and lastly the resubmission statement. That is for those who are resubmitting. I want to encourage you to listen to them because it shows you how to pass, and the different techniques you should use. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it has provided you with in-depth knowledge and understanding on how to write an excellent research and analysis project. I encourage you to connect with me via LinkedIn by using the link on the screen. Send me an email by obuacc@steadyipars.com or visit our website www.steadyipars.com. Now, I want to you to know this. You can pass the research and analysis project. Let me be honest, it's one of the most easiest activities you can ever do on it. Never for a second doubt your ability to pass. I have realized from years of mentoring that students who fail because they assume they cannot pass even before they start writing a project. It sounds funny, but it's true. Some will start doubting themselves when they encounter any problem along the way. And remember this: you are capable of doing this because you are an ACCA. Just think about it for a minute. You are an ACCA. For a minute, close your eyes and think. You pass F1 to F9. Why can't you pass the research and analysis project? Do you know the most resilient professionals I've ever met? ACCA student. I tell you, I've seen students who fail their papers but still believe that they can still pass the next time they register, learn, go out there, boom, they come out with great results. Therefore, be encouraged. Never write yourself off, okay? And I always say, write off your fear as a bad debt. As a bad debt to yourself. And whether you are my mentee or not, I'm your number one cheerleader. So whenever you feel like giving up, remember, you are giving up on me, your parent, the people who believe in your abilities. And I wish you all the best. And let's connect. LinkedIn, email, website, and I'll be happy to be your friend. Thank you so much. My name is Isaac Jima. I'm senior teacher at Steady iPass International. I appreciate the time you have used to listening to me, and I wish you all the best.